Oh yeah, I understand now. I should just do that, but not live. Recording.
Oh yes. Look, oh, there's a wild horse. Wow.
What?
On that side there was a wild horse. As soon as I see a parking spot, we'll go park.
What is this place
Park.
name?
This is Dartmoor.
Dartmoor.
Yes, more darts.
Dartmoor. Dart?
Dart. More, as in the more people, the Moorish Muslims.
حسب دي القرعة.
Yeah.
Bye. Hello. Hello. خالة مامينا. It's raining, subhanallah.
I'm gonna go here, yeah?
Where?
One of these turns. I'm gonna go into the car park.
And the way to go back?
Yeah, on the way there, inshallah.
Inshallah. Taxi, they come by here?
Taxis, yes.
Yeah.
How did you know?
I'm asking because I saw that man there, he's waiting.
Oh, that's the bus.
Is the boss?
Yes.
Boss of what?
This is like a coach within England, within the city.
No, he is a man, just a man waiting there with a bag.
Yeah, so there's a whole big coach coming.
Ah. كان الطوبيس.
Should we go this one? Yes.
What?
No, we'll go to that one. Where that car is, we'll go that way.
Okay.
This side, if we go there, it'll be hard to come onto this side. So go to that
Where
one.
are we going now?
We're just parking here, walking around. I'm taking you on a date.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
What?
It's not a problem.
What about work?
I'm at work right now. So this is my work for now. We'll find a place to park and then we'll walk around.
Inshallah. Oh, look at those birds. Wow. And I think okay, yeah.
Oh, there's people here.
Yes, maybe they are doing picnic.
I wish there wasn't people here because I want to do Should we go up a bit more?
Yeah.
What do you
Up?
think?
No, just here and we will go out of the car. No, not in the flood.
There's lots of people here.
Someone is going.
Yeah, here is not so safe to wait. Let's move from here anyway.
Okay.
It's not so safe to be everywhere in this country.
But I don't see that there is people here they can make
Walk around.
something bad for us. Or,
Yeah, but some of the people, they're not so safe. Look there!
What?
Can you see there? Mad.
I saw a horse. Yeah, horse. They have 3, 4, 5.
Do you want to touch them from the window?
Go forward. Let's go in. Soon. Oh, the white one is beautiful. They are all beautiful.
Let's turn here and park somewhere.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
A bug.
I'll just move the